Larson Electronics Hazardous Location Integrated LED Linear Fixture offers powerful lighting with heavy-duty and energy-efficient benefits in combustible sites. This 50-watt LED unit delivers 7,700 lumens and is field serviceable. A flood beam angle promotes wide light distribution in the surrounding area. Color temperature options are available. Compatible with mount installations, the IP66 rated fixture operates on universal 120 to 277 volts AC. This LED light is a Class 1 Division 2 and Class 2 Division 1 and 2 linear fixture that is designed for reliable illumination in facilities that contain hazardous gases and vapors. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.